Hi friends, welcome friends and fans online. In this segment today, 186 minus 186, which equals 0, times 186 minus 186 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 186 times 186 equals 34,596. So we have 186 minus 34,596 minus 186, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 186 minus 34,596, which equals minus 34,410. So we have minus 34,410 minus 186, which equals minus 34,596. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.